One of the challenges for the construction industry is to ensure that the products that are specified are the products that are installed, and to be able to have certainty that the correct product has gone into place. The number of times what you see on a drawing is not reflected in what you see in a building. BSI Identify is a way of providing a lifetime marking on a product which somebody can access that will immediately take them to the technical data sheet for that product with all of the information that they will require, and that information stands for a lifetime. Siderise are the market leader in cavity barriers. It's all around passive fire protection for the building envelope. So in principle, we're here to understand how fire moves around the outside of a building. When we heard about BSI Identify, we were delighted to be able to get involved as an early adopter and innovator in the programme. For me, it was a complete no-brainer. It takes away all that uncertainty about, I've got this cavity barrier in front of me, it's got black tape on it, I'm not sure if this goes here or there, I'm not sure if this is the right one that I need for what I'm doing today. You just scan the QR code, you can see exactly what it is, you can see exactly what the application is, you get complete traceability of the product and complete visibility of all of the technical information. You might be 15 stories up a building on a cherry picker and you can zap the product and you know straight away what you've got in front of you. Prior to BSI Identify becoming an option, phone used to ring a lot. A lot of customers ringing us asking us for information, and we have a very detailed archive system. We would spend hours and hours and hours sifting through to try and find what product had been supplied on particular sites. But now we've got BSI Identify, it couldn't be easier. It takes them immediately to the data sheet for that product and they can see for themselves all of the information they require at that time. When I first mentioned to the management team that we wanted to get involved in the BSI Identify programme, you could see our manufacturing director eyes roll a little. But when we actually tackled the problem, it was really, really simple. We simply had to take all of the different tapes that we use on our product and print a QR code on them. It was great to get the product first in on the rolls and see the first off the line and everybody running over with their scanners on the phone and clicking it, and immediately that information coming up on the product. It was a really good moment. Even the manufacturing director was pleased. We find ourselves at a time in the industry when there's an enormous amount of change going on. It's really important that the people who use construction product information can trust the information in front of them. The sooner that we can get to the stage where every manufacturer uses BSI Identify, the better. The sooner we can get to the stage where therefore every product on site has a QR code and everybody involved in the selection, installation, maintenance, checking of the products knows exactly what's got in front of them, the better. This has to be something for the whole industry, not just the innovators.